Today we have a Kerala Kuti with us, Malayalam actress and ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులోకి రావ్ బహదూర్తో మనకి పరిచయం అవబోతున్న the beautiful Deepa Thomas is with us.
సుగమాన మీ ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
So you are a Malayali. కొత్తగా తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి రావటం this is your first time.
I felt that there is a lot of respect. Recently Mahesh Babu garu tweeted lead role I'm doing this character Renuka and even I don't know this language.
On that note, జై బాబు.
Jai Babu.
రావ్ బహదూర్లో మీకు ఎలా వచ్చింది ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ?
I'm very blessed that I could work with a director who have already done an amazing work project, Care of Kanjarapalam. Being a woman, you have to stand for yourself, whatever may be it is. You have to stand for yourself, right?
Who is your favorite Telugu actor? Who is your favorite Malayalam actor? Who is your dream co-star?
Next question.
What made you say yes to Rav Bahadur?
Don't call, don't come here like that, and I'll cut the call.
How welcoming is Telugu industry? Hello guys, welcome to Girl Talks. ఈ రోజు ఎపిసోడ్ is very special because today we have a Kerala Kuti with us, మలయాళం యాక్ట్రెస్ అండ్ ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులోకి రావ్ బహదూర్తో మనకి పరిచయం అవబోతున్న ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ దీపా థామస్ ఇస్ విత్ us. హలో దీపా గారు.
హలో.
వెయిట్, నేను ఒకటి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యాను. సుగమానో.
సుగమాన మీ ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
అయితే నేను చాలా బాగున్నాను. సో ఫస్ట్లీ వెల్కమ్ టు హైదరాబాద్, వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ.
Yeah, thank you so much. How do you know this సుగమానో?
గూగుల్ చేశాను.
Great.
అదొక్కటే ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యాను. ఐ థాట్ నెక్స్ట్ మీరు ఏమైనా మలయాళంలో మాట్లాడితే బుక్ అయిపోతా అనుకున్నాను. బట్ థ్యాంక్ గాడ్ మీరు తెలుగులో తిరిగి నన్ను విష్ చేశారు కాబట్టి మేనేజ్ చేసేసాను.
Okay.
సో హైదరాబాద్కి మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం వస్తున్నారా లేకపోతే అంతకుముందు ఫ్రీక్వెంట్గా వస్తూ ఉండేవాళ్ళ?
I have been here to Hyderabad when I was like in 2019 I have come here. So first time when I came here it was like very special place. Chala baundi, like good people, like still the same it is. So the experience is so different when I come to Hyderabad.
వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇంప్రెషన్ ఆన్ హైదరాబాద్?
I love the people here. It's amazing people I met.
లైక్ మీ.
This is a second encounter we have. Yeah.
ఫస్ట్ టైం దీపా థామస్ గారిని స్టేజ్ మీద ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసింది నేనే అండ్ ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులో ఫస్ట్ పాడ్కాస్ట్ కూడా నేనే.
Yeah.
థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్. మీరు నన్ను మర్చిపోకూడదు.
No, I will never forget you. No.
సో ఐ వాంట్ టు ఆస్క్, మీకు హైదరాబాద్లో చాలా ఇష్టమైనది ఏంటి?
I love Charminar Cafe. I used to go to Charminar. So I love Nimra Cafe there.
ఓకే.
So I used to have this bun maska and tea from there, and I love the vibe there. I went there one day in 5:30 a.m. and the vibe was amazing. Like I loved that place, and if I feel to go anytime, I will be going to Charminar. That's it. Yeah.
ఇంకేమైనా ఫేవరెట్ ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి హైదరాబాద్లో చార్మినార్ కాకుండా? ఫేవరెట్ ఫుడ్ ప్లేసెస్?
I'm not a cafe types of person. I know that there is a lot of cafes in Hyderabad, but I'm mostly a person who like this mess kind of food, like Hyderabadi thali,
Yeah.
like such kinds of things. So that is my favorite.
ఈ మెస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ ఎక్కడైనా ట్రై చేస్తారా హైదరాబాద్లో?
Yes, but I forgot the name. Sai Shri Mess something.
శ్రీ సాయి మెస్.
Sri Sai Mess. Oh, it was amazing.
Yeah, it was
I
nice.
liked it.
యూ షుడ్ ఆల్సో విజిట్ సుబ్బయ్య గారు మెస్.
Subay Garu.
యా, సుబ్బయ్య గారు హోటల్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు విజిట్.
I'll.
సో యు ఆర్ ఎ మలయాళీ. మలయాళం ఇండస్ట్రీలో వర్క్ చేశారు ఆల్రెడీ అండ్ ఇప్పుడు కొత్తగా తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి రావటం దిస్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ టైం.
Yeah.
డిడ్ యూ ఫీల్ నర్వస్నెస్ అట్లాంటిది ఏమైనా ఉండిందా?
Every time I feel nervous. Like this is the first experience that I have. I've never worked in Telugu film industry. This is my first time I'm being doing my as a lead role. I'm doing this character Renuka, and even I don't know this language. So it was an amazing experience that I had while working in Rao Bahadur and also with the wonderful director Venkatesh Mahakaru. So, like in Malayalam industry, it's like I have done 7 films already, but this is something a new environment, new world, new people. So I'm loving it so much.
హౌ వెల్కమింగ్ ఇస్ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ?
I felt that there is a lot of respect that Telugu people gave me, and it is something like even like when they get to know about this character. See, recently Mahesh Babu garu tweeted something which is very
Yeah,
special to him.
yeah, yeah.
I never ever expected that, like being a beginner, getting an appreciation from such a big actor is such a blessing for me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that is what, how welcoming you are. It's something
Yeah.
that I can say, it's that big. Yeah.
On that note, Jai Babu.
Jai Bab. Okay.
So how did you land up in this project? Rao Bahadurlo మీకు ఎలా వచ్చింది ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ?
So I got a call from Venkatesh Mahagaru. So he told me that there is a new film. So you need to audition for a scene. So he gave me the scene in Tanglish, and I was like, "Oh my god, how I'm going to do this?" Like, but they didn't even give me the meaning. So it was a
Okay.
challenging moment for me. So I was like, how will I get it? I just searched in ChatGPT and I searched all the meanings and I understood whatever the emotion is. Okay, I'll do this. So I got this. No, first I got the narration, then I got this audition scene.
Okay, okay.
And I did the audition scene. And this audition, while I was speaking, I don't even know what I was telling. But I'm very blessed that I could work with a director who have already done an amazing work project, Care of Kanjarapalam, which is one of my favorite films in Telugu, and that has been remade to Malayalam also.
Yes.
Kada Innu Vere. But still, this is still a classic film that he have done. So that is also a blessing that which added me up into this project. Was the first reason was this film.
What made you say yes to Rao Bahadur?
Because first of all, Care of Kanjarapalam for sure, of his first craft, and then the character Renuka.
What is the one characteristic trait that you look up to in Renuka?
So basically, Renuka character is a BSc nurse. Okay, in my real life, I'm a BSc nurse.
Oh,
So that person is so empathetic. She gives importance to life. Kada, like
అవును.
that is what.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So that is what is a character. So that's how I'm in real life also. This is the trait that I follow. Like I give importance to people, emotions, everything. So that is the one of the trait that I follow as Renuka too.
సో మీరు కథ నరేషన్ వింటున్నప్పుడు యూ లవ్ ద రేణుక క్యారెక్టర్.
Yes.
మీకు ఎక్కడైనా ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ ఇలా చేయకపోతే బాగుండు అనిపించిందా?
Like there were a lot of confusions for sure, but being a woman, you have to stand for yourself. Whatever may be it is, you have to stand for yourself, right? It's not like if you like me, you should like me, you should like that. Fear shouldn't happen. So it should be a strong statement that you have to give, and you have to stay strong for whatever is happening around you. So that was not confusing for me, even though I'm hearing a lot of updates and all, as you know.
Yeah.
But I'm literally, no, I don't care about this. Why should I? This is the feeling that I have.
సో హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ సత్యదేవ్ గారు?
Satyadev Garu is like, in this film, we have already told that he's a man of miracles.
ఎస్.
Exactly, this Kachitanga, this is a very apt title for Satyadev Garu. So he is an amazing actor that I've worked for. Anni makeup, anni prosthetic looks, anni get-ups. You need a lot of patience to do that.
True.
So he has a lot of patience. So that is something that I've learned from him. And wherever I go in life, I can proudly tell that I have worked with a brilliant performer. That's the only thing that I can tell, and that I can promise to TFI, that I have worked with an amazing actor in TFI. Yeah. And that too my debut.
ఎస్.
Yeah.
అండ్ మేము కూడా చాలా మేకింగ్ వీడియోస్ చూసాము. ఎంతసేపు పడుతుంది ఆ ప్రాస్థెటిక్స్ వర్క్ కి కానీ ఇదంతా కూడా.
It's like layers and layers.
Yeah.
Not just superficial to show that aging. Not at all VFX or AI is done to his face. It's all that sitting position everything. This there is Lucky who did
Yeah,
hair,
yeah.
and Adrika, Aratrika who did the prosthetic and all. They are from Mumbai, and those were the people who's behind this magic.
Mad efforts, bro.
Yes,
Mad
yes,
efforts.
exactly.
You said మీరు ఈ మూవీ ఒప్పుకోవడానికి ఫస్ట్ కారణం ఇస్ వెంకటేష్ మహాగారు అని. సో హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ హిమ్?
Venkatesh Mahagaru is someone who believes in manifestation. So the very first time when I met him, like we had like conversations happening, like we had workshops. The first time he gifted me a book named Manifest. So from each journey low, I also started to manifest in
Okay.
life. So this film to come into life, he have done a lot of effort, and that is what I understand, that working with such a wonderful director is a blessing in my life. Like I already told, Care of Kanjarapalam is something that I've looked up for. The way he writes about a woman, how he cast a woman,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
it is not something which come and go. It will always stay in hearts. So that is something that I loved, like, and he's one of my very kindest friends I have in my life, and I'm blessed to have such a good person in my life as a director too.
అండ్ వెంకటేష్ మహాగారి సినిమాల్లో కూడా హీరోయిన్స్కి మంచి ఒక మేజర్ రోల్ ఉంటుంది. దే గివెన్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ అండ్ దే రిటర్న్ వెరీ వెల్.
Yeah, yeah,
ఐ హోప్ రేణుక ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వన్ సచ్ క్యారెక్టర్.
yes, yes.
సో జనాలు జూలై 3rd రా బహదూర్ చూశాక మీ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చూస్తే లేదా మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తే వాట్ యూ హోప్ దే నోటీస్ అబౌట్ యూ?
What they will notice about Renuka will be, she's someone who's adding a lot of depth to the character, and she's one of the major person who's um, like taking this film forward. So I think that Renuka will definitely stay forever, even after you leave the theater. That is the one promise that I can say. And also, Rao Bahadur, after you watch Rao Bahadur in theaters, even if you leave the theater, the story will definitely be in your heart. That is the only thing that I can promise you, for sure. Yeah.
So since I watched the movie, I'm asking you this question. Ra Bahadur is very psychic and all కదా. If Ra Bahadur లాంటి వాడు నిజం లైఫ్లో ఉంటే can you bear him? The expression says it all.
I would have, there would have been, like, you know the story, right?
Yeah.
There would have been some things you could have made changed and all, but still it's okay. I can't manage.
You can bear him అసలు.
No, like you are asking him in real life?
In real life,
No.
can you bear Ra Bahadur?
Not Rao Bahadur. I can't bear anyone. That is what. I just love single life. Single pasanga is the best life. That is best.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
సో మీరు మలయాళంలో వర్క్ చేశారు అండ్ ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులో కూడా చేస్తున్నారు. హౌ డూ యూ థింక్ ఇస్ ద వర్కింగ్ కల్చర్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ అక్కడ ఇక్కడ?
Like, for example, if I'm doing a Malayalam film, if I get 20 days of schedule, it is done in that 1 month.
ఓ
Film will be releasing in 4 months.
ఓకే.
It will definitely release. After 4 months, the film will be released. But in Telugu, what I found is that if we have a 20 days of schedule, it's something that
20 days ఫస్ట్ షెడ్యూల్ ఉంటుంది.
it's something that you are gonna invest on around 2 years.
ఓకే.
That is the difference. Like this film, I have invested around 2 years. So that is something that I found, which is longing, and staying in that emotion is little more difficult.
Yeah.
So that is the major difference I have found in Telugu industry. But the outcome is bigger compared to Malayalam. The outcome is bigger in Telugu. That is definitely for sure.
హౌ డూ యూ థింక్ మలయాళం ఆడియన్స్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్?
What is, like, Telugu audience is like mad for films. Like, whenever I watch something like film promotions, film releases and all, no, it is like they're celebrating.
ఎస్.
It's like celebrations for them.
సినిమా ఇస్ సెలబ్రేషన్
Cinema
ఫర్ us.
is celebration here. Malayalam is like they celebrate film, but it's always subtle.
Hmm.
It's like here, like some king, and like how that is how queen is coming. Like that is how they celebrate. So that is something amazing that I have found here, and the craft what they make is bigger than Malayalam films.
Yeah.
Malayalam films always does rooted
Yeah.
rooted characters, rooted stories, but in Telugu that is fantasy, more of a fantasy, everything that I've seen. So that's just why Telugu films, and that is what the major difference that I found in Malayalam and Telugu. Yeah.
Who is your favorite Telugu actor?
Telugu actor is Nani.
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
Who is your favorite Malayalam actor?
Malayalam actor, I love Tilagan.
Hmm.
Yeah. You know Tilagan?
Yeah, I know. ఇందాక మీరు చూపించారు.
I showed you, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's one of the amazing actor I love. I love a lot of films of him, but he's no more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Again, I have like in comedy roles also, I love Salim Kumar. He is also not there. Like he's whenever I feel low, whenever I want to laugh, whenever I want to just burst out of things and all, I used to watch Salim Kumar's films. Even though not for hero, I would watch for him to see all this scenes and laugh. And I love Fahad Fasil. Yeah.
Who is your dream co-star?
Dream co-star. Amma. Next question. Yeah. No, like dream co-star is like um bigger, I'll tell you. Tom Holland. Yeah.
తెలుగులో కావాలి మాకు. మలయాళం. ఇట్స్
తెలుగులో.
ఓకే. తెలుగు ఆర్ మలయాళం. హూ ఇస్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్ co-star?
Telugulo, I would say Nani. I like Nani. Yeah.
మలయాళం?
Even Mahesh Babu garu.
Oh.
Okay. Then Malayalam. Malayalam, I would say Fahad Fasil. Yeah.
సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్కి కొన్ని మలయాళం మూవీస్ సజెస్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే ఏ మూవీస్ సజెస్ట్ చేస్తారు?
Malayalam movies. First, I will suggest Perumani. That's a film that I have done, which is a village-based film, which I recently done in 2023. Then I will suggest Kumbalingi Nights. Have you watched?
Yeah, I watched.
That is one of the best films that I watched. Then Manichitra Thadu.
Okay.
It's a
Kamal Hassan sir's movie.
no Mohanlal and Shobana film.
Okay.
Sudani from Nigeria is another film. Yeah.
I think the Malayalam films I watched are Kurup, Salute, all Dulquer's film.
Yeah, these all.
Yeah.
You are a fan of Dulquer.
Yeah, I like Dulquer.
We had a conversation before. So she was telling that
I like
she
Dulquer.
loves Dulquer so much. Yeah. So in Telugu, which is your favorite film of him?
Sitaramam.
That is the favorite.
Sitaramam, I love Sitaramam. And sorry, actually first Mahanati.
Oh, Mahanati is
Crazy
one of
movie. I loved that movie so much. యాక్చువల్లీ ఆ మూవీ చూసాకే సినిమాటోగ్రఫీ మీద యూనో ఇంకా ఎక్కువ ఇంట్రెస్ట్, ఫ్రేమ్స్ గురించి తెలిసింది ఆ సినిమా నుంచి. ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ మూవీ.
Even I like Kirti Suresh in that film. Kirti Suresh was crazy in that film.
She was born to do that role.
Can you believe that I watched that film 4 times in theaters?
Oh my god.
So you can imagine how much I'm rooting for that kind of films. Like I'm a person who loves a lot of like these retro period. So I was very happy when I was casted to Rao Babu, which is
because it's a retro film.
film.
మీరు చిన్నప్పుడు ఏమైనా తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్స్ చూసారా?
Yes.
ఏం సినిమాలు చూసారు?
I watched Magadira.
Oh.
Yeah. Then I watched Arya 1, Arya 2, Happy, Bunny. These all films were dubbed in Malayalam. So these were the major films that we have watched. Bahubali 1, 2, Pushpa. Yeah.
Who is your favorite Telugu actor back then? మీరు ఆ సినిమాలు చూస్తున్నప్పుడు?
Ram Charan.
Ram
Charan was the first. Even I had crush when I watched Magadira.
ఐ థింక్ తెలుగులో కూడా చాలా మంది అమ్మాయిలకి ఆ టైంలో బిగ్ క్రష్ ఆన్ రామ్ చరణ్. అండ్ కాజల్ కూడా. కాజల్ లుక్స్ సూపర్. అసలు ఎంత బాగుంటుంది ఆ సినిమాలో. టెల్ మీ వన్ తెలుగు వర్డ్ యూ ఫైండ్ క్యూట్.
I'll tell you a word which I've always felt more than cute, warm. Is Bagunnara. Is something that is very close to my heart. You feel so happy when someone asks that.
మీకు తెలుగులో తెలిసిన పదాలన్నీ చెప్పండి. ఎన్ని వచ్చు మీకు?
Pada? How many words?
Yeah.
Andarki namaskaram. ఎలా ఉన్నారు, బాగున్నారా, తిన్నారా.
Okay, guys, for certified Telugu actress, you can continue now. Yeah, all these words are very close to heart and stomach.
అండ్ ఐ నో మహేష్ బాబు డైలాగ్ ఆల్సో.
Oh, tell please.
ఎవడ కొడితే దిమ్మ తిరిగి మైండ్ బ్లాక్ అయిపోతో ఆడే పంటు కాడు నేనే ఏంటి.
Crazy. So teach me a sentence in Malayalam or few words.
ఓకే,
I may suck at it, but train me. Teach me.
I will tell you one dialogue, like one sentence.
Okay.
നിങ്ങൾ ഭയങ്കര സുന്ദരിയാണ്.
I understood. Understood. Ningla Bangara Sundari Ano.
നിങ്ങള്
Ningala
ഭയങ്കര സുന്ദരിയാണ്.
Sundari Ana. I have to tell you that. Ningala Bangara Sundari Ana.
కట్
ఇంకొంచెం టఫ్గా ఏమన్నా
టఫ్గా యూ వాంట్. ഞാനങ്ങ് വിജലിപ്പിച്ചുപോയി.
నానిల్ల విజ్జల పిచ్చిపోయి.
పిచ్చి కాదు, పిచ్చుందా, పిచ్చి కాదు, ഞാനങ്ങ് വിജലിപ്പിച്ചുപോയി.
వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్?
another, it's okay.
స్తంభించిపోయి.
ഞാൻ స్తంభించిపోయి.
దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ. స్తంభించిపోయి తెలుగు వర్డ్ ఓన్లీ.
వాట్ ఇస్ స్తంభించిపోయి?
స్తంభించిపోయి తెలుగులో మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే లైక్ ఆగిపోయి అట్లా ఉండిపోయాను. తెలుగు వర్డ్ ఓన్లీ.
స్తంభించిపోయి. ఓకే, దెన్ విజలించిపోయి. దట్స్ ఇట్.
విజలించిపోయి.
విజలించిపోయి.
It's like
that bichu is little long, and now I can understand why Mahagaru used to tell me this is not how you to pronounce bichu. When I come here, I used to say Deepa Thomas. For Deepa Thomas. So these kinds of
you used to say Deepa.
Pa pronunciation. Now I can understand how different it is.
Okay, teach me that sentence.
Vijalambichupoi.
Vijalambichupoi. What is the meaning?
Vijalambichupoi means like njananga vijalambichupoi.
Tired?
It is a very, even I also don't know the meaning of that.
You should. Ante, is it like exhausted?
Vijalambichupoi. Something like that, I guess.
Are you getting mad?
I think so. I don't know the exact.
Okay, guys, she doesn't know, but if you know, please do comment. Yeah. So ఎవరైనా కేరళ వచ్చారు అంటే మస్ట్ ట్రై ఫుడ్ ఇది తినాలి అని మీరు చెప్పేది ఏంటి?
I would say I am from Calicut. So in Kerala, mostly Calicut foods are very famous. So from Kochi and all, there are friends who come there frequently and have Calicut biryanis there. We have mussels. We say mussels. It's in the coastal area I'm staying. So we get mussel fries. And a lot of fish curry, fish things, and meals are so good.
Okay.
So that would I'll be suggesting all of this to.
Nice. So note it down, guys.
Yeah.
We have seen you in Virus and Home, and personally, Home is my favorite movie. What did those films teach you?
Virus is my first film, and I did a role of a junior doctor in that film. So it was my first experience in the set, and I understood what is happening here, and like how is the like working setups and all. But in Home, so what happened is that in Virus I did a character with I'm telling the dialogue to Srinath Basi. He's one of the major character in Virus. With that same actor, I did the lead in #Home.
Okay.
So that was a blessing for me in my life, that I never thought that I would be placed in #Home as a lead and all. So it actually helped me out to grow in such a way that whatever you're dreaming of will definitely happen in life. So it teaches me a lot of patience and to keep going in your life. Just keep going, whatever hurdles you happen in life. Just to believe in yourself. That's it. Yeah.
In that conversation, you told Venkatesh Mahagaru taught me to manifest.
Yes, exactly.
Do you manifest? Do you believe in manifestations?
Yes, definitely I believe. After meeting him is the first time I understood that manifestation has a lot of power. So whenever I used to go to set, I used to manifest a lot of things, how they should do, that used to happen in my life. So I was very grateful for him to for teaching me that word and teaching me how to. It was a great help for me in my life.
నైస్. ఈవెన్ ఐ బిలీవ్ ఇన్ మేనిఫెస్టేషన్స్.
Yeah, great.
ఇప్పుడు నేను మిమ్మల్ని కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాను. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ దెమ్.
Okay.
ఓకే? వాట్స్ అ గర్ల్ కోడ్ యూ థింక్ షుడ్ నెవర్ బి బ్రోకెన్?
Okay. My enemy should not be your enemy.
మై ఎనిమీ షుడ్ నాట్ బి యువర్ ఎనిమీ.
So, my enemy should be your enemy.
ఓకే.
Oh my god, what is it? My enemy should be your enemy. That's it.
అంటే ఫ్రెండ్స్లో ఇఫ్
Yeah.
యువర్ బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎనిమీ అయితే అది నీ ఎనిమీ
You
కూడా
also,
అవ్వాలంటారు.
yeah, that.
Yes, this is a
understood.
girl code.
Yeah.
Have you ever pretended to be okay when you're absolutely not okay?
For sure. Right now. I'm actually tired.
అయ్యో, నేను ఇంకా ఈ
like, don't
పాడ్కాస్ట్ బాగాలేదేమో.
I'm actually tired. Like, I'm having medication. Like, I'm little bit
Ajjo.
of cough and cold, and that's it.
But thank you for still being here.
I'm not okay, but I'm so sorry. Yeah, tell me.
What's one piece of advice every girl should stop following?
Get married early
Hmm.
and just get settled down.
So you don't want girls to follow this?
Not to follow this at all. No, I'm telling. Like, there are some parents I know personally. While I was studying in nursing and in my studies, colleges and all, I know that some parents force them to get married in early stages, especially Muslims.
Yeah.
And I know some of them like still doesn't want to be in that atmosphere,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
who have been like separated and come out of it. So it is not something like, even she have opened up to me like, in life I had a lot of dreams, but I just let it for my parents. So I just wanted to tell that I'm not telling not to get married. You have to, but when you're okay. When you're not okay, please don't do that. It's not good. That's it.
What's the biggest green flag in a person, according to you?
Genuine.
Being genuine.
Genuine, that's it. Genuinity, kindness also is something that I love. That is the green flags that I love. Yeah.
What's the biggest life lesson you learned in the hard way?
Don't trust anybody blindly. Ante. Yeah.
Are you the friend who gives advice or the friend who needs advice?
I'm a mixture. Like, I can give advice even though inside I'll be broken like hell, and I'll be sitting and telling like, you don't call, do come here like that, and I'll cut the call and this is how I am. So I am the mix of both. And when I'm worried, my friend, the same
You take
friend,
turns.
that same friend will call me and it's okay, Deepa, I can understand that. That's how it works.
Do you think it's better to ghost people or give them proper closure?
Proper closure, for sure. Yeah, why should we ghost? And I hate people who ghost.
Yeah.
It's something crazy that I've seen. Like, I've heard a lot of people like, they ghost and go, what are you up to? You're human.
Yeah.
You don't even know when you're just tell. If the closure's happening, no, you'll get a lot of samadhanam. We say samadhanam means peace.
Samadhanam in Telugu is answer.
Answer.
Yeah.
I know that. Samadhanam levudu.
Samadhanam ledu. Answer ledu.
I
Yeah.
understand. So it is always important in life that when someone needs a closure, if there is a conversations happening, or if whatever it is there, just even in friendship, even in relationship, just tell this is not working out.
Yeah.
Or this is working out. Like, it'll go or
Yeah.
it won't go. Just tell it and just stop it. That is it. That's straightforward. Come and like, oh, that's.
Are you the person who gives silent treatment?
I'm a person who gives violent treatment. I give violent treatment. Silent treatment means, I'll tell you, I have met people who give silent treatments, and those people are so poison. You understand?
Yeah.
If you have something to tell, you can tell it straightforward.
Yeah.
That is okay. But
Yeah.
when you give silent treatment for someone, and there are people who deserves it,
Yeah.
that is okay. But there are some people who just play with mind gaming things.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
like it. So just open up and tell it. Otherwise, the other things are little bit of confusing, and boring, bad.
సో వాట్ డూ యూ డూ? మీకు ఎవరితో ఏమైనా గొడవ అయితే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? డూ యూ కీప్ టెక్స్టింగ్ దెమ్ అట్లా ఏమైనా హార్ష్ మెసేజెస్,
Like
ఫోన్
what?
కాల్స్?
Like what if I?
ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ యాంగ్రీ ఆన్ సమ్వన్,
Yeah,
call them.
I might let everything out emotion, and then I'll కొంచెం కూడిపోయింది కొంచెం కూడిపోయింది అంటే
కొంచెం ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడేసానా అని తర్వాత అనుకుంటారా?
కొంచెం ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. Yeah, but it's always for someone that is very closer to me. I won't be like going ahead and someone who's random. No, that is not the thing.
సో దాట్స్ ఇట్ దీపా గారు. అండ్ హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ బీయింగ్ ఆన్ గర్ల్ టాక్స్?
I actually enjoyed it so much. I think this is our second meeting.
ఎస్ ఎస్.
So it's amazing that we had a next good time to have a good conversations, and I'm so glad that this is something this ecosystem is built by Sharath Chandra Garu and Anurag Reddy Garu, like chai biscuit. Yeah, so I'm very grateful to them, especially for inviting me to TFI. And yeah, you are such a wonderful hosting.
Thank you
I
so
liked it
much.
so much, and all the very best for your future.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
And I want to tell you something.
వద్దు ఈమె చెవులో చెప్పే నిజాలు మనం తట్టుకోలేము. ఈమె చెవులో నాకేం చెప్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారో మీకు తెలియాలంటే గో వాచ్ రా బహదూర్ నౌ ఇన్ థియేటర్స్.